Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 8T and today I would like to show you how to set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open clock. Now tap on the plus sign and set up an hour. Choose AM or PM by tapping on one of the options. Now scroll down and tap on the days of the week to choose them. Tap label and type whatever you want. When you're done, click Save. Go into Alarm Ringtone and pick Alarm Melody by tapping on one of them. Now go back and enable or disable vibrations by tapping on Vibrate. When you're done, click Set Alarm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wanna turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it on the same way. If you wanna delete your alarm, tap on it, hold, and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!